So tool number one is the Smurl Instagram counter or the Smurl Facebook counter. And I think this is a great little tool if you are a bricks and mortar business, or if you're an agency and you have clients who are bricks and mortar businesses. I think this will work really, really well for gyms, cafes, restaurants, anyone that has people walking in during the day. It resonates particularly with me because when I was in London, I had a bricks and mortar business. And I always thought it would be great to have a device at reception which encouraged people to like my Facebook page or my Instagram page. So what it is, it's a device that plugs into your Wi-Fi. You can see some imagery of it on the right-hand side. And every time someone likes your Instagram page or your Facebook page, the counter changes, goes up one. And so it's kind of making people aware of the fact that you have these social media profiles and encouraging them to like it. So what we thought you could potentially do is, if you look at the image at the bottom, the black one, that on the left, there's a little option that says your logo here. Now, if you were on our webinar, I think it was the last one, either webinar 2 or 3, we talked about an Instagram QR code where you could essentially scan an Instagram QR code and automatically like someone's page. So what we were thinking you could potentially do is take your Instagram QR code and put it where it says your logo here, so that someone could walk up to your reception desk and they could scan that, and then it would automatically like your Instagram page, and they would see the number increase live in front of them. And potentially you could even incentivize people to do that. Maybe have a little jar of lollies or something and offer them a jelly baby if they like your page. We are constantly thinking about how do you increase the size of your social media audiences. It's so important to everything that you do. And so I think that this little device is a really good way of doing that for bricks and mortar businesses. So just to show you a little bit more about this, so it can help you skyrocket your brand loyalty. It can help you increase your online engagement and followership, and it will improve your customer experience. There's another picture of it there in what looks like a restaurant or a cafe.